by this gesture of appreciation by the council and the residents of the community. It is not often you get this kind of recognition. I am in the job to offer service because as a minister we are servants of the people and it is our responsibility to work. But when the people acknowledge your work, not just by going to a polling station and vote, but in a tangible way that you feel comfortable and you feel honored. I am really honored for this achievement today. And I want to thank you. And when I come out to do my work, I do it because there's a need for the work to be done. I am someone who believes that when you name something in honor of somebody, you must maintain it. Yes, and since it's Desmond McKenzie close, yes, the close will be closely maintained. Yes. So the superintendent is here, the mayor is here, and the councillor is here. That is a commitment that I'm giving. And I want to tell you that we have been working in Manchester. And we're not working in GLP areas alone. We're working right across Manchester for the benefit of the people of Manchester. And that is why we are here, and that is why the government of Prime Minister Andrew Holness is continuing to listen to the voice of the Jamaican people. People have a problem and they talk, the government listen and will take the necessary steps to listen to the concerns of the Jamaicans. So I want to encourage you, here, you soon get it, no worry. I want to encourage you, here, just to be patient. I know that this area don't have water easily. We're putting in a water shop up the top of the road. It is going to be the largest water shop that we have built in the country. The largest one. Wow. Wow. Eh?